What is Facetite or Accutite and how does that help me? And I want to back up a little bit and talk to you about a gap that used to exist that we have a solution for. Traditionally, it used to be that patients would wait until they got much older and then they would go ahead and do a major procedure called a face or neck lift. And that was a long recovery, and usually patients were in their 50s, 60s above that needed that. For someone who was in their 40s and they were starting to have some of the jowling that was forming, there was really no solution for it. The problem with fillers was that you were filling these patients and really they didn't need any kind of filler. They needed facial tightening, dermal tightening. And then comes in Facetite and Accutite. Both of these devices are radiofrequency bipolar devices where we use heat to tighten the subdermal tissue. And the way it works is that there is a probe here that delivers the heat internally, and there is a probe that delivers the heat externally. And by doing that, we're able to tighten it in a two-dimensional way, which was never possible before. So both of these procedures are alternatives to a surgical treatment. And it also addresses patients who had double chin that needed a permanent solution. If I went before and just did liposuction, I wasn't able to really get to the skin that needed to be tightened, and this is a way to do that. So in conclusion, these devices allow tightening of the skin in a whole new level.